Hello, everybody. Welcome. My name is Abir. Today we will discuss on the topic of nationalism in India. So, guys, we have discussed illustratively in last videos what is the exact meaning of the nationalism, and I have explained this was properly during the period of the lecture of the nationalism. So, simply here I want to remind you that nationalism as opposite to definition of nation, we find a broad consensus on nationalism. For instance, Ernest Galliner's definition is quite global. Nationalism according to him, nationalism is a political principle. So simply, nationalism means a political principles. Nationalism simply means a political principle that holds the national and political units should be concurrent. Once again, I remind you what does the exact meaning of the nationalism, and simply how you can understand that what is the exact meaning of the nationalism. So nationalism is a political principle. It is a political principle that holds that national and political units should be congruent. So guys, the exact meaning of the nationalism means also very strong feelings of the sport, power and pride in your own country, belief in the independence for a particular country. So this is the exact meaning of the nationalism. So guys, simply you should be understand that how the nationalism has been exist in India. What is the exact meaning of the nationalism? So guys, here we found that Indian nationalism developed as a concept during the Indian independence movement fought against the colonial British Raj. So we found that simply the definition of the nationalism, feeling, sport for and pride in your own country. So during the period of the, or you can say the rule of the British government at that time, what kind of the problem the whole of the nation, especially the India, are facing when our country was under the control of the British Raj, or you can say British colonial system of the government. At that time, the whole of the country has become enslaved by the British Raj, and what kind of the problem we are facing at that time. So you know that before we discuss this topic illustratively, the previous last video I have shown you how the Italy has been unified, and how the Germany has been exist, and what kind of the people they have inspired the people and given them message that how you can become a one nation and one identity. So it is only because of the when there will be not the proper type of the government, when there will be not the proper system of the constitution. So due to this cause, all the problem or the issues had been exist in the society, and for such purpose the nationalism or the nation identification, or the you can say the nationalism vote has been exist, or you can say the nationalism, the nationalists were those people, they inspired the people through the, you can say, through the pictures, through the songs, through the emblem songs, through the so many pictures, and they have played a good and significant role to aware the people and strong their feelings for the sport of their own nation and pride their country and belief in independence for a particular country. So guys, here we are discussing about the topic of nationalism in India. So nationalism during the period. So before we have observed all the discussion what we have done about the Italy, about the Germany, about the France. Here we found that there what kind of the government system there was. So unfortunately, or you can say unluckily, our country was under the control of the British Raj, and at that time we have not the full rights of the equality, full rights of the property, full rights of the vote, or you can say that our system, the whole of the system of the governments under the control of the British Raj. So at that time there were some people, they have inspired the people, they have given the message people that we are belong to the fatherland, and or you can say the motherland of our is India, and we have worth here, and we have all the equal rights. So if the outsider had come here and who are ruling upon us, or you can say on us. So due to this cause, the nationalist or the nationalist people, they have aware the people, like the, you can say, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, like the the father of the constitution, or you can say the father of the nation, like the मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, महात्मा गांधी जिसको आप लोग कहते हैं. So these are the guys that are, you can say, these are the intellectual personalities. They have aware the people that you have become, you should unify your nation and how you can establish your nation properly. So in Indian, nationalism is an instance of the territorial nationalism inclusive of all the people despite their diverse ethnic, linguistic and the religious backgrounds. It continues a strong influence the politics of India and reflects an opposition to the sectarian strands of the Hindu nationalism and the Muslim nationalism. That how our nation has been become, how all the communities of the society, or you can say how all the people of the world, of the nation, of our nation, like the India, especially Muslim, Sikhs, Christians and the Hindus, all they have unite, and how they have become one nation and one identity in front of the British government, and unitely when they have unite and they have fought with the British government, when they have prepare all the people of the nation, and there they have changed their ideologies. They have shown them that what kind of the rights you have, and what kind of the privileges you have. So this discussion you will find that what is the exact meaning of the nationalism, and how the nationalism has been suppressed in our country, and what was the main cause and reason at that time, how our nation has been nationalized, or the how the nationalist people they have inspired the people, and how our country has become a one nation, or you can say one identity in front of the British government, and finally we have got our freedom and our nation had become republic. So guys, here we have discussed very briefly about the topic of the nationalism in India. So guys, I hope that you have understand this topic properly, and if you have any kind of the if you have any problem, any misunderstanding about this topic or about this lecture, you can ask me and comment me easily. That's why, because in future I will be eliminate all these mistakes, and I will provide you a good exposure and good resources how you can crack your examination, and a proper resource towards your success and achievement. So guys, in the end, I want to request you that please subscribe this channel and share this video. That's why, because your friends, your class fellows, and all your colleagues, they will get too much knowledge, and they will also achieve their goals of life. Thank you very much.